I can't wait for the ball to chase him down the hill later.
I mean, if he's in Gulliver's house.
There's always a possibility.
I know.
Oh, you be careful,
He
Dad.
might be in danger, Dad.
Oh,
Hoo-ah!
only just though.
Only just.
Only just. Come on, you better go fast quick. And you haven't got a treasure chest, have you? In your car. Because I need as much treasure as I can get. I don't know about you lot.
Diego, be polite. Come on.
Oh, I told you about that dinosaur
I
biting
don't
people's
think
fingers.
he's eaten his breakfast this morning.
What did you have for your breakfast? Nothing that you might still have on your fingers, I hope.
Nutella. Oh.
Nutella, well, you'll definitely bite your fingers for Nutella.
Yeah.
I can imagine it. He loves Nutella.
Oh, that was really funny.
And here we are at Gulliver's Valley. What an intro, eh? And it is Firework night, the 5th of November. So, here we go. Obviously we're here for the firework display later on. But also the rides, Jarvis saw. So, yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Oh wow, that looks nice and toasty. I love those shoes. It is.
That's cool, what's that?
Is there an angel? Thank you. And here we are, into the ride section of Gulliver's Valley.
First I want to go on dinosaur.
You want to go on Dinosaur already?
Yeah.
Right then. Well, let's go to the Lost World area, yeah? And find Dinosaur.
There's Lost World. There's Lost World.
Yeah, Lost World.
Yeah, I found it.
Hopefully the pirate ship's working today.
Yeah, because it didn't work.
Yeah, we're down for maintenance last time. Well, I can see people on it.
We're closed.
So that looks good. Right then, well, let's go to Gyrosaur, yeah?
Yeah.
And get our first ride on there, yeah?
Yeah. I don't know what next ride are we going on.
Oh, I don't.
I think the swing.
The swings, yeah, the swings are over there.
Yeah.
Just over in the distance.
There's the slide.
And there's the pirate boat.
It's working now.
Yeah, we'll come back to that later.
Yeah. And then can we get out?
And into Lost World.
Look behind you, Dad.
I didn't see that. He had to wax its tail. Have a look.
I'm scared of this. Raptor.
The slides are over there. I found
Oh,
it.
Triceratops is working.
What? What?
Triceratops.
What tricycle?
That's a Triceratops. Oh, that's the smaller version with a different name.
Oh. That's a stuff. There's a dominant dinosaur. We're not going on the top.
And this is Millie's second time on Gyrosaur. Yeah. Was that good?
I love it.
Enjoy that.
Yep. Well, that was Gyrosaur, Millie. What did you think to that?
That was amazing.
Yeah, it was really good today.
Yeah. I also make the cycle on that compared to other ones. You know, how it hangs you upside down for so long.
Yeah, I love the upside down bit.
Because normally the ones that actually go fully round, they actually continue with the revolution. That one actually stops and rotates. That is one ride. That is one brilliant ride here. Must
And you
admit.
don't have to come out. You see, even though you've got your restraint across your lap, you still come out. You see.
Oh yeah, I was well locked and I still moved.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
They got seatbelts.
And they've got seat belts, haven't
Yes,
they? Yeah,
sir.
it's double secure.
Yeah, and they helped as well. The ride operator did so. A big
Yeah.
thanks, yeah.
Yeah, big
You know who
thanks.
you are. So right then, next
Swings.
ride,
Swings.
swings apparently.
Yeah.
Well, there's Rex Tower there, the slide. Which one do you want to do first?
I fancy getting wet.
Right then, looks like we're going on the swings. Here we go.
Listen, what? There we go, guys. Whoa! Hold on tight. Don't want the boy. Don't want the boy. Can you feel some air? Hold on tight, mate. Keep on tight, Molly. here. Look, the big one's there, look. Yeah? In here, Lily. These ones in here. Go back. I can't hit you now, though. I think we're slowing down now, guys. Come here, Bob. Come here. Stop running. Stop running, boy. I got you now, boy. I got you, boy.
Come back here, Millie. Got to sit back. Here we go, Millie.
Well, here is Steve and Millie after being on T-Rex Tower. How was it?
A bit wet.
Yeah.
Good though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You have fun on it.
Yeah.
Going back to the chair, lift rides, we didn't talk about that, did we, when we got off it?
Oh no, we didn't, did we?
So what did you think to the chairlift ride?
They were good
And why was it good?
because it was high.
Why did it go high? Because it went fast, didn't it? Yeah, it's good ride, the chairlift ride, isn't it?
Yeah, I was flying.
So, luckily, we was able to get on the middle tube, even though we could have gone the left tube, but we didn't fancy going in the dark one. You know, to tip over there.
Just going back to the chair ride though, I liked how, because there was a kid that was unsettled, they stopped it so the kid could get off.
Yeah.
Can we go on the pirate boat?
Are we off to the pirate boat?
I forgot the pirate boat, we're going to leave the Lost World area, aren't we? So we can go to Toyland.
I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah, there's Toyland and then there's the speed area, isn't there?
Sorry, I think the dinosaur's drowning me out.
It's a noisy dinosaur.
Right, so we have to the pirate boat. Yeah.
Right then, let's go.
Off we go.
Well, we've left the Lost World area and now we're over, I think, is this Toyland? There's Toyland around the other side.
Pirate boat.
I'm not sure what this area is called, but we'll say it's Toyland. And we're going to have a go on the pirate boat. Yeah, well, maybe Pirate Land then. Oh yeah, let's go on pirate boat, yeah, because we missed this last time, didn't we? Alright then. Get your arms up. Well, looks like I've got to interview you. Oh, Millie's reappeared. So what did you think to the pirate boat?
Good.
Good, yeah, we're in Smuggler's Cove, Steph found out.
Yeah, Smuggler's Wharf.
Yeah.
Smuggler's Wharf.
If you're wondering where Millie was at the beginning, she was on the playground just there. Are you going back there then?
Yeah.
So Millie's going to do what she normally does when we're at Gulliver's Valley and, well, disappear into the playgrounds, because there is loads around the side, isn't there?
Yeah, it's really good because there's one virtually in every area.
Hello again.
So yeah, they're quite good with that.
Yeah, and there's numerous eating areas for, you know, like if you bring food yourself, isn't there? Plus, also inside, there's a restaurant and all sorts there,
We
isn't
go
there?
with the pirate barrels.
And we can also say, once Millie leaves,
Go on.
go on. We've also booked Christmas here without Millie knowing, so she doesn't know yet, so it's a big surprise, and obviously that'll be another vlog.
Yeah.
So, but it is mainly for Millie, so there might not be much on the film, we'll see, won't we?
Yeah.
'Cause it's all about Millie's day. But yeah, but Millie was playing on the playground, but she's here in the barrel ride queue.
Right, so quick feedback on the pirate boat. Good pirate boat. Good
Yep.
for kids, but obviously Bottoms is better.
Yeah, well,
Bottoms go higher.
that's a miniature pirate boat,
Yeah,
isn't it?
But it's good.
It's good, yeah. It's good. I must admit, it's actually better than some of the full-size ones we've been on.
Yeah.
I'm not going to start naming names, but we know. So
My favourite is still Bottoms.
yeah, that's one hell of a pirate boat, isn't it? Right then, so let's queue for Bubbles. Thanks for deciding we're going on this one, Millie. Yeah. What are you? You're a ride fanatic, aren't you? Right then, Bubbles. Well guys, I've been disowned. Steph and Millie have gone on at their own barrel. Hello. And so I'm by myself. Yep.
The ride will start halfway round and go the opposite direction. Just enjoy getting in there.
It's quite fast when you got it going, I must admit.
Yeah, but God, is it hard to get it going?
Yeah, well that's because you were turning the wrong way, my darling.
It wasn't. I was trying to see which way it was spinning, and then when it freed off, we got it spinning, but then it locked up to go the other way.
Well, there were no resistance the way I was turning.
Oh, we had loads, didn't we?
Yeah, because you're turning the wrong way. I've clocked that this time. I went to see which way was actually free before we started. Did you notice I was already spinning?
Can I go in the carousel?
So yeah, if you do go the wrong way, you get all the resistance. That if you've got the resistance, that's when you actually turn it for the other way. Then it's going the right way. I've just clocked that.
The carousel on my own.
Yeah.
Oh, Amelia, you love going on rides by yourself, don't you?
Only 6, but I want to do everything myself.
Yeah, so independent, aren't you? Right then. Well, I think we're going on the carousel, aren't we then? Oh, certainly you are, Millie. You know, Mum and Dad might need a rest after all these rides so quickly.
Yeah.
'Cause I must admit, the ride queues here are very minimal today, aren't they?
Yeah.
Which is brilliant, isn't it?
The
So,
thing is, though, it seems to have stopped raining, touch wood.
yeah. So, it's looking good for the firework display later, isn't it? Which is
Yeah.
scheduled for 19:30. So then, let's go over to the carousel. Right, we're on the carousel. Millie is on the spinner, right in front of me. Steph is just in the carriage here.
It moves.
I know it does, goes up and down, doesn't it?
On the horse.
And I'm on the horse. You having fun, Millie? I can smell donuts, Steph. I can smell donuts. They smell lovely.
I think Daddy wants some donuts.
Well, I smell the donuts. But Millie's gone off to... Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Millie's gone on some tricycles. I think Steph's off to get some donuts. Alright. So let's go and watch Millie in action on the tricycles. Thank you.
Oh, here I am, Captain Pirate Percy. I'm glad you're all here, and I'm on the lookout for some new pirates to join me motley crew.
Oh, Percy, that's exciting. Should we do a pirate dance, guys? Are you ready, Percy? Oh, well done, everybody.
Now that you're all warmed up, let's teach you all how to be pirates.
Okay, Percy, what is the first thing we need to do to become a pirate? Can you tell us?
Well, the first thing I need you all to do is scrub the deck.
Do you mean like clean the floor? You are joking. Percy, it's dirty. Right, what do we need to do next? Ew.
Right, let's see you all climb the rigging.
Oh, we can do that, can't we, guys? We can climb the rigging. Are you telling Alice to go faster?
Oh, you can all climb faster than that.
Faster, Percy, I swear. Alright, I think that was fast enough. I do know the next thing there, we have to look for all our enemies. Are you ready?
That's right. Everyone, open up your spyglass.
Keep a lookout, keep a look. Ha, got you. Got you! What's the last thing, Percy?
Finally, let's use our balancing skills in case you have to walk the plank.
Okay. You have to put your arms out like this to the side. Keep your balance, boys and girls. You don't want to fall in the water. I imagine it's nice and cold. Oh, Rianne, you tried.
Oh, well done, everyone. I think you're all going to make marvellous pirates.
I do too. Are you ready, Percy?
You are a pirate. You're our favorite indeed. Being a pirate is a representative. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You are a pirate. We got us a map to lead us to a hidden box that's all locked up with locks and buried deep away. We'll dig up the box. We know it's full of precious booty. Bust open the locks, and then we'll say hooray! Being a pirate is all right to me. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You're away in the west. Thinking you dead and thinking you fast. And the black flag at the end of the mast. You are a pirate. Being a pirate is all right to me. Do what you want, 'cause a pirate is free. You are a pirate. You are a pirate.
Oh, well done, everybody. You know, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm really enjoying being a
That's
pirate.
good. Well, you don't sound much like a pirate.
Well, how do I sound like a pirate? Please tell me.
One of the main pirate phrases is me fave. It's "War."
Oh, I've got it. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Was that any good?
Boys and girls, could you all help out me pirate friend?
Was it that bad? Was it that
Well,
bad, Percy?
all you need to do is say "War" as loud as you can. After
Are you ready?
3, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was pretty
Shiver
good.
me timbers! You lot are the loudest pirates we've ever had.
It was pretty good. I think they're better than me at being a pirate, I'm not going to lie. Are you ready for your final dance, Percy?
Thirsty for adventure on the sea. Set the sail and heave ho, adventure is for me. Searching for the treasure hidden well. On the secret treasure map, a tale I'll never tell. I'll say arr and sail the open sea. Hoist the jolly rudder and a pirate he shall be. Hey, hey, ho, windward or to lee. Hoist the jolly rudder and a pirate he shall be.
You ready?
X marks the the spot so deep, deep, deep. X marks the spot so deep, deep, deep. On the run, escape is what we'll do. Now we have the booty and I, a mighty crew. And your guns, the Kraken's on the way. Load your cannon well, lads, and wait until I say, coming about, so ready, set, fire. Coming about, so ready, set, fire. All say arm and sail the open sea. Hoist a jolly runner and a pirate he shall be. Hey, hey, ho, windward or to lee. Hoist a jolly runner and a pirate he shall be.
Percy, can you show us your best dance moves? Let's everyone clap along. Come on, Percy. That's pretty good for an old man. I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking.
All say arm and sail the open sea. Hoist a jolly runner and a pirate he shall be. Hey, hey, ho, windward or to lee. Hoist a jolly runner and a pirate he shall be. A pirate you shall
Maybe
be.
swords in the air.
Pirate you shall be.
Are you ready to finish?
You shall be.
Oh, well done everybody, well done Percy.
Oh, I've had so much fun having you all on me motley crew. There's always space on me ship if you ever want to return.
Oh Percy, that's actually very kind.
Before we go, do you know what shivers at the bottom of the ocean?
No, what?
A nervous wreck.
Oh my goodness. Percy, that was the worst joke I think I've ever heard. Well, Percy has got to get back on his ship and sail the seven seas very soon. But he will be here for just a few minutes if anybody would like to come up. Percy interrupted me. If you would like any pictures, he will be here for just a few minutes. If we could make a nice queue just behind Alice for me. So I know who's had a picture and who hasn't. Just Percy.
So this is the car coaster just right there.
Yeah, we just entered the car section of Gulliver's Valley, which is called Gears or Speed or Gears then. Well, it said speed up there, didn't it? I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I like speed. I don't know. So yeah, obviously in this area, when we've vlogged it before. Oh, Millie's on the podium. She's first as usual. Are you first? Right. So yeah, you've got vintage cars in these garages. You can actually see it pretty well today because it's not sunny.
There's a roller coaster.
Yeah. Go on, Millie, because we're going to go over to the Grand Prix ride. So there's a vintage MG. Just on the right hand side is Dodge City, which is Dodgems. Well, we're coming over to this Grand Prix ride. Like I say, similar ride is at Ferrari Land, isn't it? Miniature Red Force. So yeah, cool. So we've been on this a fair few times and it is a good ride. So it might be a bit slow today because obviously it's pretty cool. Well, we'll give it a go. Are you ready for it, Millie?
Yes.
Are you ready for it, Millie?
Yes.
Right then. Well, let's get on it then. Into the queue line.
I'm already in the queue line.
Oh yeah.
Daddy, I'm ready for this.
Are you ready for the Grand Prix ride?
Yes.
Front row, Millie.
Yes.
Here we go.
I love it because it's fast. I'm going to go up there.
Arms up, Millie. Let's go for it. was good, wasn't it?
Oh, I want to go. I want to stay on it.
Can't stay on it, Millie. We've got to get off. Somebody else has got to have a go. Well, Millie's going on for the third time, but it's my second time. So then here we go again on the Grand Prix ride. Arms up, my legs, here we go. Two ride special. So then, Steph, because Millie's left us yet again to go on another playground, what did you think to the Grand Prix ride? She went on twice?
I went on twice. Once with all three of us, once with just Miller. Yeah, it's good.
I must admit, it was fast today, wasn't it?
I know, but I still prefer the back.
Why is it faster? But I can't remember.
Faster.
Yeah, but I must admit, considering it's cold, it's quite nippy.
Oh yeah.
I was surprised by how fast it was today. So yeah, Millie is on one of the numerous playgrounds. Let's just fling the camera around, and she's there. Having some fun like she normally does in playgrounds. And off she goes, probably up to the slide area. Yeah, she's definitely thrill seeking Millie, because like she went on it 3 times rolling, didn't she? So, but there it is again. And actually this time it's empty. Must be doing a test run. It's a good ride though, isn't it? Right, so let's go back to Millie. Then I dare say we might end up on another ride once Millie comes out of the playground, whenever that is.
It'd be interesting to see how that compares to the one in Rotherham.
Yeah, a Junior Red Force. Yeah. Right then, well, we'll join you when Millie reappears. Yeah, I'm done. Here's out. Off we go. Go on then, Millie. Yeah.